Some of the things that I love most about my job are getting to answer your questions and sharing recipes with you, especially those that will make your time in the kitchen as easy as possible. Recently, we've been getting a lot of requests for pressure cooker recipes. When it comes to pressure cookers, there are basically two options, electric and stovetop. The ones that are available today have come a long way from what I remember my grandmother cooking with, and boy, are they fast. Let me show you. To make a big batch of chicken cacciatore, we start by seasoning cut up chicken and placing it in a 5-quart or larger pressure cooker. To that, we add a can of diced tomatoes, some quartered mushrooms, a chopped up onion, green peppers, garlic, a jar of spaghetti sauce, and some Italian seasoning. Now we lock the top, and when it reaches pressure, we'll cook it for 12 minutes. That's it. When you serve this, maybe topped with some grated Parmesan cheese and fresh basil, you'll swear this cooked all day long. To get this fast and flavor-packed recipe for our 15-minute chicken cacciatore, simply check out our website. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a lightning fast way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.